Okay, go through the doggy door. Look, door, down here. Everything doggy door does like this. I'm trying to get him to go through. This dude and that girl has already gone through. You do go through by yourself, though. You've gone through it. If you go through again, that'd be amazing. Come on. No? Yeah. Sorry, I'm going in by myself. I cannot fit, can I? Maybe. Come on. Oh, pathetic face. Look, you gotta go through. No, by yourself. Come on. Oh yeah, I gotta pull it inwards towards me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Close enough. Come on, Delilah. There's Momo. Push it. Come on. I can't get this. Also, crawfish boil here on Saturday. I would ask to invite you, my one subscriber. Thank you for being here, by the way. I don't have any. Come on, Thor. This is Thor. Oh, yeah, come in. Here, I'll hold it. Come on. You know, because you already did it once, I'll let you lie that. It's like to go at least get out. Come on. Go on, dummy. Come on, you big dummy. Come on. Problem solved.